The moon may look a little smaller than usual in the coming days. John Hickey shows us what's causing that in this week's Skywatch 16.
In this week's Skywatch 16, we're taking a look at our moon. There's going to be something a little different about it coming up on August 30th. That's going to be Monday. It's going to be in its last quarter phase, but there's something a little different about this last quarter phase. The moon may look a little dimmer and a little smaller than usual, and you got to know the science behind it to understand it, my friends. Just like the Earth going around our sun, our moon going around us, it's not a perfect circle. It's a little eccentric, as it's known. So it's a bit of an ellipse, which causes the moon to be a little closer at times and a little further away at times. And in fact, when it's at perigee, which is at its closest point, it's about 25,000 miles closer than when it's at apogee. And that's where we are headed for Monday, August 30th. Now, we usually hear about this when we're coming up on a full moon. You hear about those micro moons or a super moon. We've had a few of those, and that's when the full moon, a little bigger and a little brighter than normal. But this time around, well, we've got ourselves a, not micro moon, but our moon at apogee in its last quarter phase. So when you gaze upon that moon on Monday and it looks a little dimmer and a little smaller than usual, well, that's why, my friends. It's because it's actually at its furthest point away from Earth as it will be for our entire year. With this week's Skywatch 16, John Hickey, Newswatch 16.